Hello guys, good afternoon. Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Damam Road. Rescue na naman kami ng isang unit namin ng Scania, bagong-bago pero tumirik sa daan. Ito kami ngayon guys, oh. Ayan guys. Ito guys yung ano guys, Damam Road guys. Riyadh to here 150 kilometers. Ipakita ko sa iyo guys yung fault code nito. Ito siya guys. Ayan siya guys, oh. Yan guys yung pinaka fault code niya. Gearbox malfunction guys, at saka engine malfunction. Saka guys yung ano niya guys, pag i-press mo guys yung ano, yung accelerator niya, wala siyang race guys, walang race yung accelerator niya. Kaya check mo namin sa ano, sa laptop. Ito siya guys, oh. I-activate namin yung ano, yung injector solenoid. Ayan guys. Tapos next. Ayan guys, oh. Cylinder number 1 guys. Wala siya. Number 2 wala pa rin siya. Marinig nyo naman pag ano pag magbukas yung ano, solenoid niya. Ayan, number 4 bumukas na siya. Tingnan mo guys, oh. Yan. Yung 1 and 2 guys wala. Yan guys, 1 wala siyang tunog. Sige, start ko guys yung ano guys. Start ko yung makina. Yan guys siya, oh. Ayan yung ano ni guys. Yan si guys, oh. Engine malfunction. At saka yan mo guys. Ayan guys, oh. Ayan yung under guys na makina guys. For idling. Hey guys. So ngayon guys, tingnan namin muna yung ano guys, yung unit injector niya. Sigurado ako na ang problema nito guys, kuan guys, injector. Ayan guys yung ano guys, oh. Damam Road. See guys, coming the side group. Yeah.
Cylinder 1.
The fault code solenoid is injector cable or possible maybe short circuit ground and detector cable. This one. Go to AMS. Ito ngayon guys, pinapataas ko muna dito sa kasamahan ko guys, para tingnan ko muna yung ano guys, injector. Kasi yung accelerator niya ano siya, for idling, hindi sa stable. Parang may isang injector na hindi gumagana. Ayan siya guys, oh. Ito na ngayon guys. Ito guys yung ano guys, yung injector subukan namin i-swap yung isang linya. Ito guys, i-swap namin dito para kung saan dito yung faulty. Okay guys.
Wah. Maliza maombi. Beti baibiki aje.
Where's the red one? Okay, try here. Or this the red one. Red one and
Hebu
then
nachija kuku.
yeah, this one is this brown only, this one positive. I try to check in the computer now guys, this wire of number 4 we put here number 3. Now the number 3 now is confirmed good. Now we start again number 2. Now guys, you hear the activating of the injector number 1.
This one it will not reach there.
Yeah, you need to check. See now guys, now this one guys is see, it's work now. Okay, so guys, the last I swapping this injector number 1. This one, this is the last. Yeah, I off now.
I don't know if it, okay, it will reach.
Because now guys, 3 we confirm the solenoid valve is working. Because in the system guys, 1, 2, 3, this is the cylinder bank of B. If you activate the 1 and 2 and 3, it's not working because the cylinder bank is synchronized the wire, this one. And here 4, 5, 6 is also bank A. This one bank A, bank B. So this is the last we swapping injector number 1. See guys, this is this wire is cylinder number 4, but this we need to check the injector number 1, so that's why we swap the wire only, just only swapping the wire. Now guys, we confirm now guys, the injector number 1 now is faulty. This is damaged. The solenoid valve is not working. This 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 it's working, but number 1 guys is not working. This is the cause for the RPM is not stable. Okay guys. So guys, now we need to replace the number 1 injector. So I need to order this 1 injector, and then we will fix this 1 track. Okay guys, bye bye guys.